People with low self-esteem do not believe that their partner perceives valuable qualities in them. High self-esteem people, when they believe they might be replaceable, will compensate by proving their instrumental value to their partner. So, it might be, say for instance, it is a situation with a high value woman who is married to a high value man. But we all know that a high value man always has the option of pursuing another high value woman. Men tend to rarely date down. I understand that people might consider dating down maybe like a young person, maybe like a less educated person. No, men value the physical qualities, beauty, the appearance qualities over any true substance. But in this case, with the second bullet point here, if a high value woman is considering becoming irreplaceable with a high value man, what she might do is prove her instrumental value to the partner by suggesting that she does come from a good family. She does come from a name or something like that. And to lose her would be to lose all of the networks and the relationships that are connected to their name. So then the high value man might reconsider, because if he is running a business and some of his clients know her father, and her father could make a case to replace him, if he decided to leave his daughter, then he might decide not to leave the daughter because she has instrumental value. Authors suggest that a high self-esteem person will react to their partner's irritations by increasing their connection to that same partner. So that's a way to increase connection. Sometimes men don't receive emotionally. They don't perceive emotions as an instrumental value. They think rationally. They think logically. You have to put business in front of their thinking. You have to show them your instrumental value in terms of business relationships. Okay.